Speak to God tonight. Tell Him, "Hey, God, it's me again. I don't really know where to start tonight. I'm learning to trust more. To trust that no matter how uncertain things feel, you've got a plan, and I don't need to have all the answers right now." It's a bit of a relief, actually, knowing I don't have to carry everything on my own. I can let go of trying to control it all. Just let things be, because you're handling what I can't. And that's enough for me. So as the day wraps up, I just wanted to say thanks. Thanks for being constant, for guiding me through without me even realizing it half the time. I'm trusting you with tomorrow just like I trusted you with today. Whatever happens, I know you've got it under control. Amen. If you receive this message, comment Amen and share.